Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to enable app icon badges for outgoing and ongoing call notifications in the X app. Having these badges turned on helps you stay on top of your calls by showing those little alert dots right on the app icon. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you control many of your phone's features, including app notifications. Next, scroll through the Settings menu until you find the section labeled Apps. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Now scroll through this list to find the X app. Once you find it, tap on it to open the app-specific settings. Inside the X app settings, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. This is where you manage how and when the app sends you alerts. After that, go to Notification Categories. This section lets you fine-tune notifications for different types of alerts within the X app. Find the category titled Outgoing/Ongoing Calls and tap on it. This category specifically handles notifications related to calls you make or are currently on. Finally, you'll see an option labeled App Icon Badges. Toggle it on to enable those handy badges on the app icon, and that's it. Now, whenever you have an outgoing or ongoing call, you'll see a badge right on the X app icon, keeping you informed without needing to open the app. This small change makes managing your calls easier and keeps you connected at a glance. Try this out and enjoy a smoother experience with your call notifications. Thanks for watching.